had all of this stuff that started seeping through, okay, after it dried. So I was kind of bummed out. I was like, oh crap, what am I going to do? So I put a nice coat of the Big Top clear coat on top of it, and it is actually one of our hard coats that we sell at the DIY paint company. So I put that on, dried, put 2 coats of the French Millinery over top of that, and voila, it worked perfectly. 16 by 16 inch medallion. It's from the IOD company, and it comes with some like clear cellophane kind of a plastic stuff. So you want to keep that on it until you use it. And it was a 24-inch circumference. And in this instance, I just used a little bit of tape that I put down there. I want, you know, the front of it to be kind of lined up with this little drawer. To get it started, I want to tape it down. So in your little box, you get this little, just like a craft stick. Or just kind of, I always like to kind of flatten it out. Just make sure you just want to start rubbing. Okay, now, the surface. Let's talk about the surface a little bit. It's just raw matte paint. So it is the DIY paint that I use, French Millinery. It sticks best on a matte surface. I love this wax, you guys. I'm not even kidding. It's like butter. Look at that. It's most of the time when I wax something, I always start with clear. So you put that clear barrier down, and then you can go in with whatever color wax that you want. You have a lot of control with it that way. So with the DIY paint, whenever it gets wet, so I'm putting this clear wax on it, it'll kind of deepen in color a little bit. The reason that happens, guys, is this is clay-based paint, okay? This is not like your average ordinary kind of a chalky paints that are out there. And I'm just gonna, got it dipped in here. Where I really want it worked in at are where all the cracks and crevices are. Now, the longer you let it sit, the more it's going to stay on there heavier. So if you start wiping it off, like I'm wiping it off right now, it's because it's still wet. And you can kind of have some control over it. So I don't really want it to grab too much. I don't want it to look dirty. I just kind of want it to look kind of aged a little bit. So let's say, like I said, that's grabbing a little bit on me right there. So what you can do is go in and put some clear on your rag and then start wiping it again, and it'll work as an eraser. What I'm doing is I'm going to darken it around the lip area, the darkest. It's just going to give it like a shadowed effect is what I'm going for. Don't forget to subscribe for more art, upcycling, and DIY videos from Girl Upcycled Studio.